Expect to see a lot of excitement at Unity Park this summer, including installation of the park's 3 pedestrian bridges. The week of June 7th through the 11th, a 70-foot bridge will be installed just upstream of the Reedy River crossing at Hudson Street. Prefabricated in Pickens, South Carolina, the bridge will arrive in one piece and be put in place with a crane. The bridge will open on July 9th, along with the new Swamp Rabbit Trail extension on the north side of the river, next to Welborn Commons. In mid-July, a 110-foot bridge will be installed upstream, closer to Mayberry Street. Also prefabricated, this larger bridge will be transported in 2 sections and placed with a crane. Finally, construction of the 165-foot Auro Bridge also will begin in mid-July. Made of weathered steel, this bridge will be constructed on-site, as specially trained crews suspended on cables work from both sides of the river. Bridge enthusiasts will be able to observe the construction from a special public viewing area adjacent to the new Swamp Rabbit Trail extension. The 2 larger bridges will remain closed until the official opening of Unity Park in spring 2022.